like to keep things a little adventurous.
Friday night and the lights are low, looking out for a place to go, where they play the right music, getting in the swing. You come to look for a king. Anybody could be that guy. Night is young and the music's high. With a bit of rock music, everything's fine. You're in the mood for a dance. And when you get the chance, you are the dancing queen, young and sweet.
You buy it at the entrance of the cave. It costs 15 ringgit. These monkeys are everywhere around here, and you gotta watch out for them. They'll attack.
The tambourine, oh yeah, you can dance.
Is the KL Eco Park.
Jive, heaven,
The second tallest building in the world.
ooh, see that girl, watch that scene, digging the dancing queen.
And it combines colonial and Islamic style architecture. It's absolutely stunning.
You're a teaser, you turn 'em on, leave 'em burning and then you're gone, looking out for another.